got a lot of 18650 batteries around, might be worth checking out some of these power brick, sort of a make your own power brick power supply box. They just basically come as a shell. You supply the 18650 batteries and it'll charge or up your phone, flashlight, that sort of thing that you have out. If you have like a little smaller flashlight and want to charge it, the battery in it up. They do a lot of things that you can sort of play around with. You can use this as a battery charger. So if you don't have an 18650 battery charger with you, but you carry along this as a power brick, you can just insert any 4 batteries you want and plug it in either by the USB-C or USB mini port, and either one of these ports will charge up all 4 batteries. So this can basically be your carry-along 18650 charger if you want to use it in flashlights, that sort of thing. But you do have to have 4 somewhat matching cells to begin with to use to charge them up. But you can use this with it as many as 2 different connections at a time to charge things. So you can charge a phone like this. It'll charge directly from USB-C with it, and it'll fast charge. It'll charge some of these older Samsungs like this. It'll fast charge, but the newer Ultra phones, that sort of Samsung phones, they'll charge at their ultra fast charging rate. So you can get the same speeds that you can get with a 45 watt charger will do for you. But like I said before, this, if you plug into the USB-C, you can either supply power or input power to charge the batteries, or you can use with the older micro size charger, mini and micro, and it'll has 2 different USB-C outs. So some flashlights, that sort of thing, if you want to use this as a charger, are finicky. They'll only work with a cord, say like this, that's a USB-A to USB-C. So you have the option of using that or a USB-C to C, and it'll still work either way. It also has a built-in LED you can use as a flashlight. So you basically just hold this button in for about 5 seconds or so, and then it'll come on and you've got a flashlight with you at all times. Hold that in, shuts off. So this just shows your charge, state of charge on here. So it's 98% charged. If you plug in the USB-C here, it'll fire up and show you that you're charging it. So that comes up, it shows the charge, state of charge with it, and this light will come on and let you know that it's inputting power into the cells of the battery. But if you don't keep the top screwed on, you can these just clip on the top, and then it has 4 screws on them to where you can bolt it down and leave it tight and safely stored. Or you can just click it on and just be able to switch out the batteries whenever you want and be able to use it as a charger, like a carry with you charger. So it's just nice that you can use it as a power brick to charge whatever you want. Pop these out and add some cells that if you're using these in a battery or something, you can just take the ones out of the battery, put these in here and charge it up, and just swap these out and put those in the battery, in the flashlight, and you can just rotate your cells, charging one set while you're using the other. So it's more than just as a power brick. It's nice to have as a 18650 charger with you, and you can find these as low as $3. I've seen them. Sometimes they're more. I'll put a link in the description. I'll also show you what it looks like. You can usually find them cheapest on AliExpress. If you buy them, say Amazon, they tend to be more expensive, anywhere from around $12 to $15 or so for them. But I'll put a link in the description to the cheapest version I can find on them. But for the money, it's nice to have something to play around with. It makes for a good secure power brick that'll charge at the fastest rates for the newer phones too. So if this helped you out at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.